Hey everybody, welcome to Life of Sunny Lee. And it's been a while since we've done a craft project. And actually I haven't done a craft project this year. With everything that's going on, I just haven't had much time. I think that my last craft project was a cross stitch that I did last summer when the pup was still doing well. So anyway, I decided that I was going to make a bunny garland for my Easter tree. And to do that, I found a pattern off the internet of a bunny. And you can either use a pattern off the internet, you can use a cookie cutter and trace around it, or you can draw it free-handed, however you want to do it. Anyway, I found these little bunnies on the internet and I printed them out. I used cardstock on most of them. I did experiment with these over here with just regular paper, and as you see, they did okay too. They're not quite as thick as the cardstock ones, but they're still holding up really well. And what I did was I cut them out, and that was the hard part. And then I gave them 5 coats on the back and 5 coats on the front of Mod Podge. I used the glossy one because I wanted them to shine. And then after that, the last coat of Mod Podge, I added the cottontail and I add the glitter. So once you get that done, now this takes a while because you have to wait at least 20 minutes between each time you coat the bunny rabbits. Like you put one coat on and you wait 20 minutes, and then you put another coat on and you wait 20 minutes. So it takes a lot of wait time. But when you got this many done to do, by the time I got to that end of the table, it was time to come back to this end and start again. So it was like a continuous project. Now the only problem I had with the cardstock was that on the first layer, when you first put the first layer of Mod Podge on here, they want to curl. So you kind of have to make sure that they are down like that. And then after the second coat, you have no problem. I did find on the paper one, when I used the regular paper, it was best to not cut them out first. Just Mod Podge the whole page at least 3 times and then cut them out, and then you can finish the last 2 coats and they won't curl. But before that, they curl. Now the only thing I can find is the texture on the ones from the regular paper. It's more of a vinyl feel to it than the ones on the cardstock. But they both hold up really well. And the reason I put the Mod Podge on here was to keep them from flopping around so much, and also to preserve them, because when I put this much work into something, I mean, it took a whole day to do, I want it to last more than just a year. So by coating them completely with Mod Podge, that will help prevent them from drawing any moisture in and being destroyed. So hopefully these will last a long time. And after you get them all done, get the little tails on, I put glitter on. You don't have to put the glitter, but I like glitter. I'm a glitter bug. You know, I like glitter. Makes a mess, but it's worth it. And then the next thing you have to do is you got to punch your hose, or as my son said, we're going to pierce their ears, and then we'll run the string through them, and that will be what will be put on the tree. So it's going to be a quick little project. It takes about a day and a half to do, and it's gonna be fun. I think it will look really nice on the tree. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this project, and then I will show you the tree. All right, the bunny tree is done, and I love the way the little bunny garland turned out. Now what I did do, I measured 2.5 inches, and I glued these in place. Not hard, just slightly. That way they're not going to move around a lot when I take them down and put them up. But they turned out really, really cute, I think. And then I had enough left over to make an area for the fireplace. So I'm pretty well pleased with this project. If you decided to give it a try, let me know in the comments below. Put some pictures in there and show me what they look like and what you did. And remember to like. That helps get the channel recognized. Please subscribe. I definitely need more subscribers. And remember, dream big, follow that dream. And see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.